Hello, welcome to my channel, Latina Plants. My name is Jackie. Today we're going to do a shop with me at Lowe's. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like videos like this. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. And click on that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. And walking towards the garden section here, they have all of the seeds up and available. If you like to grow your seeds indoors, now would be the time to pick some up. And over to the left, they have some ZZ plants for $34.98. They also have some large aglaonemas, some bird of paradise, some alocasia pots here. And just so you guys know, if you're in my area, which is New Jersey on Route 130 in Delran, this store was clearancing out all of the plants that I'm showing you here on the left. All of these large plants were being clearanced out. The gentleman working on that gave me a heads up. These peace lilies are going for $15.98. They have a lot of these marble queens in these pots, and they are going for $15.98 as well. They had some philodendron Brazils in there. They also have these cacti and succulents here for $5.98. I find cacti and succulents to be pretty easy care, except they like a lot of light. They also had this philodendron here, the philodendron tortum, and these cacti going for $6.98. And they had the ferns. They had this silver band maranta for $19.98. I believe that is from the Live Trends or Trending Tropicals. I think it's Live Trends. They still had some Hoyas available as well, some lipstick plants, and this Brantianum. These leaves are super cute, but I know that these have a tendency to get leggy and grow really small leaves, so I haven't picked one up. And these pots are going for $14.98 from the Live Trends. They had a Sansevieria. They had the dwarf ZZs as well in them. And these are going for $15.98. They're doing some Camingianas as well and on trellises. That Cebu blue that's completely out of the pot, fully rooted, you guys. A lot of pothos, ivies, and they still had this syngonium available. Had quite a few pots in this location if you're looking for this plant. They look like they should be rescues. They don't look very happy to me. Here they have some more bamboos, lucky bamboos, some calatheas. And here they have some beautiful, colorful succulents for $4.98. Really beautiful and healthy looking. Get these, snatch these up if you like cacti and succulents right now while they're fresh before they have any neglect or stretch out from a lack of light. They will also lose their color or some of their color if they don't have enough light. These pots here are going for $9.98. This one here is going for $7.98. And we took a look at those at the bottoms before as well. Down below, they had some more fresh cacti available. Really cute cacti. Unfortunately, they spray paint these. I don't know. If you guys know, have you ever bought one of those succulents with the spray paint on them? Does it come off easily? They have some more of these pots for $15.98 with the neon pothos and Monstera adansonii. Some ponytail palms here. These are going for $15.98 as well. And these, I believe these are Wick and Grow pots. And they also had the ficus burgundy and these anthuriums here for $13.98. Up top they had some aloes. I was looking for the price of those, but I couldn't find it on the pot. Might be on the bottom. Yeah, $7.98 for the aloes. These cute arrangements for $15.98 or $19.98. A little pricey, I think. Some more succulent arrangements down below. And then you have your single succulents that are going for $5.98. The larger ones, I believe, are going for $7.98 or $8.98. Here they have some bird of paradise for 35 and some dracaenas for 19 and some fiddle leaf figs and dieffenbachias, some bromeliads, and here's a quick little look at all of their beautiful orchids. Love the blooms on these orchids. They are just so gorgeous to look at. I don't know if these bright ones are their natural color, but they are beautiful. This one's like a limey green. Then they had some smaller ones and some more larger ones here. And here on this area, they have some Scindapsus moonlight and some Sansevierias, some Tetraspermas, the Variegated Aglaonema, the green on green, and then this more pinky Aglaonema. And behind them, of course, a bunch of parlor palms. Here on this end cap, they had some air plants that I showed you before for $7.98 and $8.98. They also had some succulents over to the left. There goes the angry statue again with the silver band Maranta. Up top, they had some beautiful hanging baskets, some Marantas, golden pothos, philodendron Brazil, and some lemon lime or neon pothos. Here they have some of the air plants. They had this beautiful large basket on the bottom of the silver band Marantas, some red vein Marantas down there as well, some crocodile ferns, babalas, some bonsais in here, some ponytail palms, sansevierias, and some of those anthuriums. Up top, they had some more large hanging baskets. They had Scindapsus. They had the philodendron lichens up there as well. And so many pothos varieties and philodendron varieties. And some really cute hanging baskets. These look like they could use some water. for sure. Then they had some Wick and Grow pots here on this end cap. They had the Dieffenbachia here, and I believe these are going for like 7 something. Sorry, I didn't show you the price. And then they had some more on the bottom. Over in this Wick and Grow, just giving you a quick little overview because most of these plants are always in the Wick and Grow section. But they have some peace lilies, some dracaenas, some crotons. Up top, they had this beautiful basket of the Hoya Crimson Princess, some ivies, some fern here, and this beautiful basket of Scindapsus exotica, as well as that begonia on the left. And this syngonium here that looks really pretty in the larger pot. They also had this nerve plant, I believe. Really pretty, vibrant colors if you're looking to add some color to your collection. They had some maidenhair ferns and the syngonium berry illusion, I believe it's called. Some rabbit track marantas. Up top, some more ivies and pothos available. Here I was trying to squeeze in through all of these parlor palms, sorry. But I wanted to show you the pots that they have here and the varieties. They had a lot of the Brantianums, the Silverband Marantas, pothos, as well as the Philodendron micans. I know the Philodendron micans is a favorite. And over by the checkout, these are the plants that they had in stock. Definitely need some watering here. Some of these plants look pretty stressed out from the last time that I saw them, but they have some really nice plants available in this section as well, so make sure to check out by the registers. You never know what you're going to find in this section. They had some beautiful Scindapsus exotica, that full pot of the Philodendron hederaceum, the green version. They also had some Monstera deliciosa, some Calatheas, Aglaonema, Dieffenbachias, some Marantas, some Sansevieras, the Ficus audrey. They also had some ferns. They also had this beautiful red syngonium here. I hope you guys enjoyed this shop with me. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Bye!